welcome back to the part 5 or 4 of my studio setup series, and today we're going to be tackling our desk and filming setup. I want to make this as functional and as productive as possible. Now I have a couple of boxes that we're going to be unboxing, and then we're going to be setting them up. Oopsie, we're ready. So the first thing that we're going to be unboxing is this RGB light, and this is from Ulanzi. I feel like I have a couple of Ulanzi products. This is what the light looks like. It comes with a cable as well to charge. It is rechargeable, and let's see, turn this on. So we have some dials here, and we also have the LED screen as well. We can change the, let me change the mode. Oh, I feel like I'm going to use this for a different purpose, and I'll show you guys later on. But this is what it looks like. We can go ahead to change out the colors. Let me change the colors. Yeah, this is pink right now. We can move from pink to blue, green, yellow, orange, and back to pink and purple. So this is perfect for maybe makeup videos if you want to create like that ambient look. But typically I would use this behind me just to create that beautiful mood. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of the brightness. I feel like it's not bright enough, but this is what it looks like. It's very weightless, feels very flimsy, but I'm hoping that it's able to get the job done. But this is what it looks like. I feel like I'm going to be using this for a different purpose, to be honest, because I kind of like what I'm seeing with this. So yeah. So next up, I got another LED video light. Don't ask me why, guys. I have about 5 of these lights, and these for me are investments. The lights that I have in my office right now, I've had this for about 4 years. I've had them for a while, and I've been using them consistently. I have not changed anything. It has served me for more than I had expected. So I wanted to add one more to it. This one is a rechargeable LED light, but I wanted to use this more as a fill light. This one is supposed to give off like a beautiful soft light, and it's portable again, it's rechargeable. You can use it without cords and wires, and that's something that I wanted, because the lights that I have, you can use it without the adapters, without the wires, but you have to use a battery, and it just becomes really bulky. But this one is so thin and it is so lightweight. I will leave all the links in my description box so you guys can check it out. But this is so thin, it is so lightweight that I figured, you know what, let me give it a try. It's supposed to last for, I think, 1 hour or an hour and a half, and honestly, that is more than enough time for me to create any content, whether it's hair, makeup, you know, you name it. So this is what it looks like. I'm guessing this right here is the battery. You can charge it. You can power it using an adapter, and you have that pot over here as well. You can change the hues. You can change the intensity of the, let me put it on right now, power button. So we have the power button right here. Okay. You can change it. Right now it's on 0%, and that is why it is off. Let me increase the brightness. Okay, so this is 1% to, this is what it looks like at 20%. Not bad. Let me take it up to 30%. This is 35, 50%, and I'm gonna take it up to 100. Wow, this is it at 100%. So this is what the light looks like. Definitely, I feel like you can even film with this on its own. I love that, like the LED lights that I have right now, they are pretty intense, but this has a beautiful, soft, natural, diffused look to it. It looks like it already has a soft box in front of it, and I like, can you see that? Yeah, so it's bright enough, but it's also soft enough that it looks very flattering. But this is what it looks like. And yeah, you can change the Kelvin. You can make it cooler, you can make it warmer. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So it did come with, let me turn this off. In the box, it did come with its adapter, so you can charge it and you can also use it while it's charging or connected to the wall. And also we have another adapter. You can attach this to the light to make it more flexible, so that way you can angle the lights to better suit like wherever direction you want it to go. So this is a cable management kit. I got this one from Amazon, and this is supposed to help with managing the cables, because guys, I have a lot of cables. I have a lot of wires just going everywhere. In like here, I have this for the microphone, I have wires for the camera, I have wires for the light, I have wires for charging, I have wires for like, it's too many wires. So this is supposed to help with making it more aesthetically pleasing, like getting it in control and getting it in order. So we have, let me just open this right here. We have this, I'm not sure what they are, but we'll figure it out. And then we have some zip ties as well right here. And we have a lot of accessories. Actually, we have a lot. This one is supposed to help with, so you can use this for your chargers, the cords for your chargers, you can use it for that. So I think all that I would need are in here, but this would be the last thing that I do. Let me put this back. Okay, so next up we have my laptop stand. So I got this stand and I got it in gold because why not? That is the vibe. I feel like it will just match beautifully well with my desktop and with other accessories in the office. Next up, we have this table mount. So one of the goals that I had for this office is to eliminate having things on the floor, and that includes like tripod stands. Currently I have a tripod stand, that's what's holding my camera, but I figured let me maximize my table and have everything I need either hanging up or on the table, right? And I saw this one on Amazon. They have several options. They have another one that it's like a U stand. Like it could be overwhelming, but I wanted something very simple, and this is what it looks like right here. Let me just bring this out. Oopsie. Oh wow, there are a lot. And again, this is from Ulanzi. Like I said, I feel like most of my accessories are from Ulanzi. So this is it. You just have to set it up and then clap it on. So next up we have this. This is sort of like a wrist supporter or wrist support for your editing, for your desk when you're working. It's very soft. I'm gonna unbox this as well. So I got this clamp for this camera stand right here. So with this clamp, I can adapt my light to it. I can add on like a microphone onto it. I can add on what else can I can add on other things. I can build on this, so that way we have it streamlined, but then it's very functional. And so I also got a desk mat as well, and this is what it looks like. I got the smaller size. Usually you can get the larger size, but the way my desk is set up, I've kind of divided it into 3 parts. So 1/3 is for my desktop, and the other half is for filming. The other third is for filming, and the last portion is for like microphone and other accessories. I'll show you guys in a bit how I'm going to set that up, but that's how I kind of have it in my head planned out. And then the last thing we're going to be unboxing is this desk lamp. This one is for the desktop. It's going to help with editing at night, adding a little bit of aesthetic to it as well. And I feel like with this, I can move this to a different location to give that beautiful ambient light. If you guys know me, you know that I will move this around. I feel like I can even hang this behind me, and that would give like a beautiful halo effect. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead to unbox all of this, and then we can set it up as well.
beat, we feel the night could be surreal. When the beat drops down low, let it pull you in real close. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy? And when the lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it?
So this is what the desk setup looks like right now. I mounted my camera on my table, and that way I kind of have more space. Usually I would have to move my table a little bit forward just so I could have my tripod in between the table and the wall. But now I have it mounted on the table, so I'm able to push my table all the way down to the wall. So I have this entire wall and table set up for filming, for editing, and for creating content. Let's quickly put this behind us and see how we can play with it. I am a sucker for pink. You guys probably already know that. So let's change the hue to pink. Yeah, like I said, like the color is showing, but like I said, one might not be powerful enough to give me the level of brightness that I want. And that's because I have a lot of lights going on. So I'm going to turn off some of the lights behind me and see how we can make that work. Okay guys, so this is what the light looks like. I feel like it's not as powerful as I expected it to be, but then again, for the price. But yeah, if you want to get like a very vibrant color in the background, definitely maybe two, or invest in a more high power RGB light. Okay loves, so we've come to an end of this unboxing desk lighting setup video. I feel like as time goes on, we'll be making some upgrades, some adjustments, and I'll be sure to share that with you. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay blessed and you stay fabulous. Bye.
Steal the show. Are you down for it? Tell me.